Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. We have just visited charming guests staying in a wonderful villa in Seminyak, and together we prepare opor ayam, nasi goreng udang, perkedel kentang or potato cakes, tumis papaya or stir fry young papaya with eggs, and dadar gulung as a dessert. Thank you so much. Looking forward to cooking together again soon. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home, and we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also now we are ready with the online cooking class. For more information, kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. Matur suksema!